Good morning, students. In the previous video, we had continued the chapter comparing quantities, and we had started new topic for the chapter, that is percentage. And today we are going to learn these problems: conversion of decimal into percent, conversion of percentage into decimals, and conversion of percentage into fractions. Okay, so let's start. The first is conversion of decimals into percentage. Okay, so let's the example for decimal is 0.49. We have to convert 0.49 into percentage. Okay, so first of all you have to convert decimal into fraction and then fraction into percentage. Okay, so 0.49 in fraction it will be 49 upon 100. You know that, Anna. So now we have to convert 49 upon 100 into percentage. So when we convert fractions into percent, we multiply the fraction by 100. Okay, so 100 and 100 will be cut off, and the answer is 49%. Okay, I'm taking one more example. Yes, example number 2, 0.009. We have to convert it into percentage. Okay, now first of all you will convert 0.009 into fraction. Okay, so 9, when we remove decimal, so it will the number of decimal places are 3 here. So in the denominator there will be 3 zeros, you know that, है ना. Into percentage we multiply it by 100, cut 2 zeros. Now we have got 9 upon 10. So we have to write it into percentage. परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है. नाउ 0.9% डेसिमल विद परसेंट. ओके, ये आंसर आ गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कन्वर्जन ऑफ परसेंटेज इनटू डेसिमल. हुणे की कीता सी असी डेसिमल इनटू परसेंटेज. हुण रिवर्स कर दांगे, परसेंटेज नू डेसिमल दे विच कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, कन्वर्ट परसेंटेज into decimals. Okay, so example is 10.2%. We have to convert it into decimal. So percent means per 100. That means that is equal to 10.2 per 100. Okay, 10.2 per 100, or in fraction it will be 10.2 upon 100. So basically when we have to remove the sign of percentage, we divide the given data by 100. Okay, जो भी given data है ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ 100 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ divide ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ percentage ਦਾ sign remove ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Okay, ਹੁਣ percentage ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ convert ਕਰਕੇ decimal form ਚ convert ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Okay, सो बेटा वेरी ईजी. अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਡੈਸੀਮਲ ਵੀ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਪਹਿਲੇ. सो इट विल बी 102 upon 100 into 10. डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. ए 10 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਡੈਸੀਮਲ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਕੇ, और ए 100 ਜਿਹੜਾ परसेंटेज ਦਾ साइन रिमूव करके. नाउ इट विल बी 102 upon 1000. नाउ इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. जस्ट डेसिमल लगाओ, number of zeros are 3, so decimal places will be 3. So it will be 0.102. So we have convert 10.2% into decimal and the answer is 0.102. And one more example is 40%. You have to convert it into decimal form. So first of all write it into fraction. 40 upon 100. 40% means 40 per 100. 40 out of 100 you can say. Now cut this 0 with 0. The 4 upon 10 you have to write it into decimal form. So it will be 0.4 because Number of zeros in the denominator is 1, so number of decimal places will be 1, so 0.4 will be the right answer. Now the third topic for this video is conversion of percentage into fraction. Okay, so the example is percent into fraction. सेम ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ 40%, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਡੈਸੀਮਲ 'ਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਬਸ. You know how to solve it. 75% is equal to 75 upon 100, but ਇਹਨੂੰ simplify ਕਰਕੇ standard form 'ਚ ਲਿਖ ਦਾਂਗੇ. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So in fractional form it is 3 upon 4 and in percentage form it is 75%. Okay, one more example. 3 1 upon 5%. Okay, so first of all convert it into improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5%. But we have to remove the sign, percentage sign. So what will we do? We will divide it by 100. 16 upon 5 into 100. Okay. Now reduce it. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 and here it will be 25. So the answer is 4 upon 5 multiplied 25 and it is 4 upon 125. So in fractional form it is 4 upon 125 and in percentage it is 3 1 upon 5%. Okay, so in this video we have converted decimal into percent into decimal and percentage into fraction. So watch this video repeatedly, then only you can solve exercise 7b. Okay, thank you so much.